The coronavirus has now killed almost 1.5 million people and infected 63 million. But in some badly hit areas, schools were allowed to reopen.
COVID is escalating in the United States, the global epicenter of the pandemic. In the past 24 hours, the U.S. saw an increase of over 143,000 cases and 1,200 deaths. Despite huge daily spikes in infections, students in New York City have been given the green light to return to school. The mayor defended the controversial decision to reopen schools in phases from next week.
First of all, studies consistently show that younger kids are having less of a negative experience and there's less concern about the spread when it comes to younger kids. Also, the demands that our parents are going through, and I feel for all our parents who are experiencing so many challenges right now.
New York State Governor Andrew Cuomo also favors schools staying open. But infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci warned of a surge upon surge after the Thanksgiving holiday and urged restrictions to stay through the Christmas season. Also pushing for schools to reopen is Iraq, as students in Baghdad begin the new academic year under strict anti-virus guidelines. All students, teachers, and school staff are required to wear masks and sterilize their hands at the entrance. Things are grimmer in neighboring Iran, which is bracing for an explosion in cases and fatalities that could further strain its exhausted healthcare system. In Europe, where a fierce second COVID wave has strangled public gatherings, more worshippers in France were allowed to attend Mass together. The State Council ruled that a 30-people limit in places of worship was too restrictive and asked the government to revamp the measures.